As part of their commitment to educate the public on recognizing allergy symptoms, the specialists at Allergy, Sinus and Asthma Family Health Center recently held a free seminar on allergies.
Here in the villages, there's more golf courses per group of people than any place else in the country. And when you're out on the golf course, that means you're outdoors. So anything outdoors is going to impact you more. So when the allergens are higher and you're out on the golf course, you're going to be impacted at a much greater level than those people that, say, work inside the buildings or do things indoors. This is a very active community. They spend a lot of time doing other things, so their exposures are going to be greater than what you see in others. Well, everybody thinks they're going to have this tightness and wheezing, which is very common, but it can be the fact that you're just not able to tolerate the activity that you used to. Like all of a sudden, you're more short of breath, or you may be coughing, because people don't realize that not all asthma wheezes. And so we're also going to show in our program tonight the fact that you might have normal airways, but you're really not doing well. So a little medication can help you, and then a little environmental modification can also be a big benefit. And allergic to asthma means that your airway functions are pretty good until you get around something that you've formed an allergy to. For instance, ragweed, maybe ragweed season. All of a sudden you notice that you're not breathing as well, your chest may be tight, you're not sleeping well at night, you're waking up with maybe some wheezing. It's those kind of things that can trigger the fact that your allergies are acting up. So it's not necessarily all in the nose, but it can actually affect the lungs as well. It was several weeks ago on Today's Show, if anybody saw that, they talked about allergies, and they talked about over 50 million people that have allergies. And so that's quite of an impact on society when you're talking about illness, you're talking about evaluations, doctor visits, medications. And so with 50 million people, we're looking at many millions of dollars, not only in medication, but in lost work days, productivity. And if you can kind of imagine not feeling very well and going to work, and that's one of the things that we're going to address in our program today, is the impact to society and the impact to patient. And you're going to see it's very dramatic.
We've included links for more information on the diagnosis and treatment of allergies, as well as contact information for the Allergy, Sinus and Asthma Family Health Center in Lady Lake when you click the Talking Allergies story link at yourhometownhealth.com.